My friends, we all have heard the word scams, like money scams, property scams, or the house scams. And a person who does this, the scams are called scamsters. They are the one who earns money or earns things in a most dishonest way. They don't believe in loyalty. And in today's gospel describes such person, the dishonest manager. And this manager was charged with wasting his master's money, master's goods, and he was about to be dismissed. And during these difficult times, he does not complain. He does not seek for justification. He is not discouraged, but he thinks a way out to secure his future. And this, first of all, he thinks clearly. And he recognizes his own limitation. He says, I'm not strong enough to dig. I'm ashamed to beg. And then he thinks wisely. He acts cleverly and robs his master for the last time. How? He calls all the debtors and reduces their debts they owe to the master. And at the end, the master praises this dishonest manager for his prudence, for his shrewdness, for his wisdom. And today, through this gospel, Jesus is not telling us to be dishonest, but is telling us to be wise, to be shrewd as serpents and innocent as dove. Jesus wants us to be wise Christians. He wants us to be joyful Christians. He wants to live our life wisely and not according to the spirit of the world. Jesus wants us to live our life in a most honest way, not according to the scamster. Scamsters love money. They love to live in a most dishonest way. They live a dishonest life. So today's gospel asking us, inviting us to make a choice, asking us, which road am I heading to? Is it the road of Jesus, road of goodness, or is it the road of the world? Is it the road, the way of the gospel, or the way of the world? And the way of the world leads to corruption. The way of the world leads to deception. It is a road of sin because one leads to another. It's like a chain. And it is generally easiest road to travel. And the way of the gospel is all about joy, marked by honesty, marked by respect and wisdom. So our journey of life involves a choice between honesty and dishonesty, a choice between fidelity and infidelity, a choice between selfishness and selflessness, a choice between good and evil. So what is my choice? Is it to be with Jesus or to be with the worldly spirit? Let us choose wisely. Amen.